Hushpuppi's lawyer is fighting vigorously to set him free, despite all the evidences provided by the Dubai police. With the way the case is going, I think Hushpuppi will be free soon, despite all the evidences the FBI and Dubai police provided. Hushpuppi's lawyer, Pissetzky, has accused the FBI of kidnapping his client Hushpuppi in Dubai and taking him to the US. In a chat with BBC, the lawyer said, the United Arab Emirates has no extradition treaty with the United States. According to him, Hushpuppi, who poses on his Instagram about his extravagant lifestyle, was not a criminal but made his money legitimately. He is a social media influencer with millions of followers, with millions of people that respect and loved him, and he loved them, and that's what he did. In today's society, that's a business. Pissetzky told BBC that the government and FBI here acted illegal when they kidnapped him without any legal process to do so. There was no extradition, there were no legal steps taken, there were no court documents filed, it was simply a call to the FBI. He is not a citizen of the United States. The US had absolutely no authority to take him. If Dubai wanted to expel him, they should have expelled him back to Nigeria. I have never heard anything like that. In the rule of law, illegally obtained evidences could be suppressed if properly handled by a good lawyer like me. Pissetzky is not new in this kind of cases where evidences were illegally obtained and he filed a motion to suppress the evidence. For instance, a case in the United States District Court, Central District of Illinois Urban Division. A man was charged with possession to distribute methamphetamine. After reviewing the discovery and video in the case, Mr. Pissetzky recognized that the police violated the CK Fourth Amendment right when they stopped, searched, and arrested him. Mr. Pissetzky then filed a motion to suppress the evidence. During the hearing, the attorney cross-examined the police officers and demonstrated to judge that the officers violated the CK constitutional right. In addition, the law firm's attorney called a canine expert to testify that the police canine wasn't reliable. After the hearing, the federal judge granted a written ruling granting the motion to suppress. Following the ruling, the government dismissed all charges against the defendant. This to tell you that this lawyer has been handling similar cases like Hushpuppi and has been winning. Pissetzky is not new in this kind of cases where evidences were illegally obtained and he filed a motion to suppress the evidence. Mr. Pissetzky started his successful career as a defense attorney in 2002. After spending 4 years in the Cook County State Attorney's Office, he obtained his JD from the John Marshall Law School. He is the member of the Illinois Bar Association, American Bar Association, and the National Association of the Criminal Defense Lawyers.
You guys to know a few years ago, maybe 10 or so, no, over 10, a little bit over 10. I was so ambitious. I wanted to get out of Nigeria so badly. I tried doing everything I could. I applied for a France visa back then. You know, we had some not so good documentations and all that. When I applied, we were like, no, we don't think if you go to our country you'll come back. You don't have enough money to go and all those kind of stuff. But I didn't let that stop me. And today I'm in France, courtesy of the biggest company out of France, LVMH. Now LVMH Group is inviting me through two different sub-companies under them, through Louis Vuitton and Christian Dior. Actually, I have another different invitation from Christian Dior, and separately, I have another different invitation from Bauman, or Bauman, as we call it where I'm from. So if these three big companies can be writing to the embassy today on my behalf, that we want Hushpuppi to come, we need him in our fashion show, we we are going to sponsor his trip, we are going to pay for his hotels, we are going to pay for his flights and everything, you know, even though I upgraded myself and got myself a private jet to come. It's one of my dreams, you know. I'm just trying to achieve those things I used to. Trust me, the only reason I could achieve this today is because I didn't let all the controversies, all the noise, all the people trying to bring me down, make up all sort of stories about me, call me names and all that, you know. Today I woke up and I'm like, wow, this is really happening, you know. And yesterday I was going to the Louis Vuitton in the Champs-Elysees, and a lot of people were coming to me. Hushpuppi. Oh, I know you from Instagram. I know you. I follow your Snapchat. And people were taking pictures with me. Papa, you know. It's a lot for me to handle when I woke up this morning, you know. And I was just like, I need to just inspire somebody out there today to not give up on their dreams. And so to every young black kid out there, not just black kids, Asians, French kids, wherever it means where you get to in life is you. The hard work you put in, the passion, the love for what you do. Respect people, be humble to people, show love to people at all times, be kind. That takes you far in life, you know. Trust me, if I can get here from my hood in Bariga, you know, Shoki, if I can get here at the top of Four Seasons in Paris, the hard work you put in, the passion, the love for what you do, respect people, be humble to people, show love to people at all times, be kind. That takes you far in life, you know. Trust me, if I can get here from my hood in Bariga, you know, Shoki, if I can get here at the top of Four Seasons in Paris in a penthouse, then trust me, you can make it. You can be anywhere. I might not be able to, I might not speak the best grammar in the world, but trust me, I speak fluently in Yoruba. So just focus on enough motivation. Now let's get back to the business of the day. And redraw. Open them. The hard work you put in, the passion, the love for what you do. Respect people, be humble to people, show love to people at all times, be kind. That takes you far in life, you know. Trust me, if I can get here from my hood in Bariga, you know, Shoki, if I can get here at the top of Four Seasons in Paris in a penthouse, then trust me, you can make it. You can be anywhere.
I pray for the boy and I pray for the I put them out. I put them out. I put them out.
Thank you very much for having time to watch my video to the end. I have a question for you in the comment section. What do you think about Hushpuppi's case? Do you really think that Hushpuppi and his lawyer will win this case? Drop your opinion in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new. Turn on the bell notification icon to be notified anytime I drop new videos. Follow me on Instagram at Ejimozi, EJIMOZY. I'm always active on Instagram. Just follow me there. Thank you very much and God bless you.
It's a boy, Ejimozi. It's a boy, Ejimozi. The boy, Ejimozi. Sabaya Jimozi